Hello everyone and welcome to the NanoFrazor software tutorials. In this video, you're going to learn how to get started with the NanoFrazor software and perform the automated configuration of the tool. This is a typical view of the NanoFrazor software with all the windows arranged automatically. On the left is the main panel where you can set the parameters and examine all your results. Next to it is the stage panel for controlling the stage position. The NanoFrazor also has an experiment logbook where all your operations and results are automatically logged for future reference. Finally, below is the camera window where you can see your sample and the cantilever. Simply scroll and drag the mouse to zoom in and pan the camera view. The main panel has two distinct menu regions, one on the top and one on the left. The menus at the top are the workbenches, which define what kind of operation you're performing on the NanoFrazor. We have different video tutorials explaining each part of the NanoFrazor workflow for these top menu items. This video focuses on the configuration workbench. The icons on the left-hand side show the options available for the workbench selected from the top menu. The first step after loading your sample and the cantilever is to go to the configuration workbench from the top menu. Next, switch to the Setup panel from the left menu. This is the place to set the folder preferences where all your patterning data is automatically saved. Additionally, you can also load any previously saved parameter preferences. Now, we can move on to the Auto Configuration panel. Begin the automated configuration of the NanoFrazor by simply clicking the Start button. The tool first checks for the cantilever connectivity before proceeding with the automatic approach and detection of the surface. You can see which operation is currently running based on the status icons of these below four advanced panels. It's not necessary to go to these advanced panels unless you need more information. After the surface is found, the temperature of the microheaters is automatically calibrated along with the cantilever height and the reader sensor. The final step of the automatic configuration is the parallelization of the sample surface and the scan plane of the cantilever. This ensures that the cantilever is always maintained at a constant height above the sample. Once all these calibrations are complete, you can see a green status on the Auto Configuration panel. The graphs on the right show results like the temperature calibration and the adhesion length, which indicates the tip sharpness. Sometimes we also provide useful hints and suggestions to guide you further. Additionally, each panel comes with the contextual help button, which opens the relevant page in the NanoFrazor user manual. The automatic configuration of the NanoFrazor is now complete. You can move on to the next step in the workflow, which is the layout preparation. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other videos to know more about using the NanoFrazor.